So in this Questrade tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy fractional shares of a stock here on the Questrade desktop version. So once Questrade's opened up on your computer, what I want you to do is to just go to this top bar right here to where it is looking for a symbol or investment type, and then type in a stock of your choice. Now, they actually don't have fractional shares available for like every single stock, but for example, if you were to search up ticker symbol KO or Coca-Cola, as an example right here, it says fractional shares right here. You can buy fractional shares of Coca-Cola. If you wanted to buy fractional shares of Tesla, TSLA, ticker symbol Tesla right here, you can buy fractional shares of Tesla. Now, for example, if you wanted to buy ticker symbol VFV, which is a popular ETF here in Canada, you can't. Non-fractional shares, you can't do that. So if we go back to Tesla as an example, type in ticker symbol TSLA. Fractional shares is an option. I want you to go ahead and press on buy. Now, once you're here, I want you to go to where it says market order right here, and I want you to go and make sure that market order is selected because this way you can actually purchase fractional shares. So if you wanted to go the amount of, let's just say $5, for instance, that is equivalent to 0.02 shares. You can press on review order and then process your transaction this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to purchase or how to buy fractional shares of a stock here on the Questrade desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.